Okay, if you have a Husqvarna lawnmower with a broken cable that is your starter cable, the cable that you have to hold down so the mower will start. Here's the model number on this one. Hopefully you can see that. So here's the cable. It comes off easily enough, especially if it's broken. This little part doesn't break here. This is hard to get out here. And that just pops off the handle. But you have this left then when you take it off. So I'm using this, a washer, a wing nut, and a nut. And let me pause this for a second while I put this on there. It's pretty obvious. Okay, I've attached this now. It's a little hard to pull that lever back to the switch. It enables it. Make sure that your wing nut isn't too long so it doesn't affect the automatic choke thing there. I don't think it's going to bother at all. It's below it. Anyway, that's a quick fix to get your lawn done until you can order out the stop lever for the handle there, which is hanging right there. And I just got this at my local hardware store.